Hello! I've been off the channel for a bit, but I have been working on some projects. Over the summer, I bought a 3D printer and printed my first octopus. That was the test model that came with the printer. Its sample plastic was green, no less. After changing out the green plastic for off-white, I did what most 3D printer newbies do, printed trinkets. Some worked fine, others not so much. I tried to print the SpaceX Starship, but noticed a few issues with the quality, so I moved on to the next step, learning to create my own 3D models. I took an online introductory course and created a bunch of 3D models in Fusion 360. They mostly looked okay. Having finished the course, I created a more complex model. I even figured out how to slice it to avoid long spans. However, a hole that was supposed to be round slumped into an oval, and two pieces that were supposed to fit together didn't. This led to the next phase of working with a 3D printer, tuning. This is still ongoing. I did find a nice set of test models to evaluate the quality of the printer, most of which turned out poorly with the current setup. I may join a local maker studio to get some help with this. Enough with the trials of owning a 3D printer. For the festive season, I decided to make a holiday arrangement with yet another online trinket, plus random pieces that I have printed thus far. Happy holidays, everyone, and I'll see you next year.